If you or your family or someone you really care for is suffering from a very significant injury or the most terrible ordeal, the death of a loved one, my law firm team and I are ready to help. You can review my website here and get a good idea of the type of work we've done, the awards and recognitions, and examples of our successes. But let me assure you, the core, the heart of why I've stayed in the high-stress work of a civil trial lawyer for over 3 decades is that I love helping people. It's as simple as that. Yes, it's made a good living, and I relish the competition and excitement of the courtroom, but more than anything else, it's about helping people. People who are going through major distress in their lives, often the worst they've ever experienced. That negligent driver or corporation maybe has caused them a new dark life of nearly constant pain, sometimes the loss of a limb, or it may be the hard to understand brain damage. Sometimes it's been the devastating plunge into paraplegia, or worst of all, the death of a loved one. I bring you and your family over 3 decades of experience helping you deal with these very difficult, sometimes devastating ordeals. I work with a team of legal assistants with a combined 90 years of experience in these cases, including a registered nurse with clinic, hospital, and ICU experience. We invest a great deal of time, money, and expertise in helping your treating doctors explain the treatment you've gone through, including accurate medical illustration charts. In wrongful death cases, I've helped many families deal with the often complex insurance coverage puzzles, often difficult adjusters, and hoops they force you to go through. We can help you avoid big mistakes that would deny you certain coverage and help you obtain coverage that you could completely miss. I've also gained a lot of experience helping family members communicate and show what their loved one meant to them. And no amount of money will bring that dearly loved one back, but a family deserves at least a very substantial recognition of justice that our laws provide. We offer decades of experience pursuing that justice. We work for you in these injury and wrongful death cases on a contingency fee basis only, meaning you pay us no fees unless and until we collect a settlement or court judgment for you, and we use a clear written fee agreement. We're able to obtain settlements without going to trial on the majority of our cases. But let me assure you, based on 3 decades of experience, the best settlements happen only when a case has been expertly prepared and the insurance adjusters and lawyers have no doubt that you will do the trial and you'll do it with a very experienced trial lawyer. Another important thing to understand is that not all lawyers are willing to go to trial. Even some of those who spend a lot of money on TV or radio advertising. And the sad reality is that the insurance adjusters and lawyers know who they are. The earlier you can retain a very experienced trial attorney, the earlier you will get answers to a lot of stressful, unknown questions. And the earlier you retain a very experienced trial attorney, the better your chances of getting all the insurance coverage you or your family deserve. Contact us for a free consultation. I'm Brian Wojtalewicz, and we're ready to help.